Hello, friends. Do you ever feel scared to speak English? Do you think my English is weak and feel nervous? If yes, then this story is for you. Today, we will talk about Rohan, a boy who changed his life by learning English. His story will inspire you. The problem our hero Rohan lived in a small town. He was a good student, but he had one big problem English. He knew grammar rules, he could read, but when he had to speak, his mind would go blank, his mouth would become dry, his heart would beat very fast. He was afraid of making mistakes and people laughing at him. One day, a big company came to his college for job interviews. It was Rohan's dream job. He worked very hard and got shortlisted. He was so happy. But then he saw the interview notice. Interview will be in English. Rohan's happiness disappeared. He felt only fear. They will ask me questions in English. I will not understand. I will not be able to reply. I will fail, he thought. That evening, he was very sad. He told his grandmother, Dadi, I will not go for the interview. My English is not good. His wise grandmother smiled. She said, Rohan, English is just a language, not a measure of your intelligence. You are a bright boy. Don't let fear stop you. The question is not, do you know English? The question is, do you want to learn? Her words hit him. He decided to try. He had only 1 month before the interview. The 30-day challenge. Rohan made a simple plan. He didn't try to learn everything. He focused on small daily habits. Habit 1. Listen for 15 minutes daily. Instead of listening to Hindi songs, he started listening to simple English songs. He found easy English news channels on YouTube. He didn't understand everything, but he just let the sound of English fill his ears. His goal was to get familiar with the rhythm and sound. Habit 2. Read something he loved. Rohan loved cricket. So he started reading small cricket news articles in simple English on the internet. Because he loved the topic, he wanted to understand it. He learned new words without even trying too hard. Habit 3. Speak to himself. This was the most important habit. Every day, for 5 minutes, he would stand in front of a mirror and talk to himself in English. He started very small. Hello, my name is Rohan. The weather is nice today. I like cricket. It felt silly, but he did it. No one was there to judge him. His confidence grew slowly. Habit 4. One new word a day. He didn't try to memorize 20 words, just one. He would choose a word, learn its meaning, and try to use it in 2 to 3 sentences that day. Habit 5. Think in English. This was difficult. When he saw a dog, his mind would first say, Kutta. He started trying to think, that is a dog. He tried to describe his day in his mind in simple English. I am eating breakfast. It is tasty. The result. After 30 days, Rohan was not perfect. He still made mistakes, but he was not afraid anymore. He had practiced. He knew he could try. The day of the interview came. He was nervous, but he remembered his grandmother's words. The interviewer asked, Tell me about yourself, Rohan. Rohan took a deep breath and began. My name is Rohan. I am from a small town. I am a hard worker. I am not perfect in English, but I am learning every day. I am ready to learn anything for my job. He spoke slowly. He made a few small mistakes, but he spoke with confidence and a smile. The interviewers were impressed. They didn't want perfect English. They wanted confidence, honesty, and a willingness to learn. A few days later, Rohan got the job. He was so happy. He ran to his grandmother and said, Dadi, I did it. I got the job. His grandmother hugged him and said, See, Rohan, You didn't just learn a language, you learn to believe in yourself. The moral for you. So, what can we learn from Rohan's story? Your fear is your biggest enemy. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Everyone makes them. Mistakes are how we learn. Small steps are powerful. You don't need to study for 10 hours. Just 15 to 20 minutes of daily practice can change you everything. Make it fun. Learn English through things you enjoy. Songs, movies, sports, cooking videos. Practice alone first. Talk to yourself in the mirror. It builds confidence without any fear. Focus on communication, not perfection. The goal is to share your ideas, not to speak like a dictionary. People will understand you even with mistakes. Rohan's story teaches us that fluency is not about knowing all the words. It is about having the courage to use the words. You know, you can do this. Need to fluent English starts with one small step today. Believe in yourself. Start your journey today. Believe in yourself. What is your biggest challenge in your learning English? Comment below.